Look how nice it's like looking inside. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making detox water. And all of what I got over here, we grow it ourselves, and you can do it too. And we have cucumber. This is coming from our garden. Our own ginger and pink lemon. This is called the variegated lemon or eureka. I say. Okay, so first, and also I got a knife. Also, this is the common cheap knife, and I also have this kind of pitcher which I'm going to use today. And I'm making this for everybody, for the whole family, for the husband, and also for the kids, and for me too. So I bought this at the local Asian store for $5.99, and here we go. So now I'm going to chop the cucumber first. Let me move this right quick. I'll be doing this. And also, guys, you can use any kind of water that you want to put in there. You can use distilled, purified, or the spring water. But today I'm gonna use pure. So, oh, I cut it on the wrong side. So, one thing to show you guys is how to take the sap off out of this like cucumber. To take the bitterness out of the cucumber, you had just to rub it the top till you see all the sap is out. And till all this white stuff that you see is already on this, and it's good to go. That means the sap is out and the bitterness is out, and I'm taking that out too. And I'm just chopping it like circles. Oh. And also, what I like to do when I'm chopping, like while chopping, I'm eating. Very sweet. So I'm using the whole cucumber. This is circles, and I'm just going to keep chopping this, and then I'll show you how I cut the lemon. Oh shoot. Forgive me. Okay, let me move this right quick before. This gonna be good. You can wait like at least the whole day or 24 hours or overnight, should I say, or you can wait like at least 2 to 3 hours before drinking it. Like next. Move that, and we're going to do the lemon the same way. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow, this is like a pomelo. Like a pomelo inside. It's amazing. So good. Let me take this one. And look at the back of it. It's just make me want to eat it right now, like just suck the whole water, juice. Now we're going to do the ginger. So what I do with the ginger, I just take this thing off. So this just comes from the garden. And just take this whole thing, and you can put as much ginger as you want. If you can take, spicy or what, but me, I just put a little because I know the kids will like to drink some water, detox water. So I'm just taking off the dirty, like some dirty spot, and then what I do is just smush this. What do you call it? Smoosh it, and then till like you see it's already halfway and it's smooshed down all the way to, so you can like the juice will go into the water. Spiciness. So why I use ginger on my detox water, because ginger has a lot of benefits, good for your stomach, and especially those people are trying to lose weight. Cucumber, lemon, and ginger are good like stuff to use. Smush. And then, oh. And be careful when using knife. Don't do what I'm doing. If you had a mortar or pestle, or you have like a smusher, that's better to use. But I'm already like I've been doing this, so, and I know what I'm doing. So it's just like those people that don't really use knife on smashing stuff. Don't do it because I don't recommend. Just might slide your hand and cut. Flew on me. So I'll just get that later on. But I have what I needed there. So I'm gonna just wait that for later. I need to wash that. So I'm gonna move this. What I'm gonna do, put in our picture first, it should be the cucumber. My cucumber. And then we're gonna put like 3 slices of this lemon, then ginger, then water. Okay, a little water first, then you're gonna put the rest of your stuff, cucumber, first layers cucumber, then our lemon, and then the rest of our ginger, and then paprika, and then more water. I'm gonna move this. So look guys, so you'll see how nice this our detox water looking already. And then what's more, if we put in our refrigerator, we gonna refrigerate it for at least overnight or 2 to 3 hours, and it's ready to drink. Look how nice it's like looking inside. And this is how quick and easy our detox water, and we're just starting. Just like we're putting in our refrigerator. I think this is so this is the easy quick detox water that we drink in this is good every especially when spring, summer. But summer is the best. This is the best water you can drink every day, because summer is like so hot, and this water is full of nutrients and goodies. So that's it guys. This is how I do my detox water, and thank you all for watching, and please like, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification button. Thank you for watching. Love you guys.